everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the web search tool in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is only available with the browser extension and does not appear in the desktop version of Read&Write. The web search tool is great for searching the internet for anything you are currently reading or writing without having to copy and paste to a search engine. On the Read&Write toolbar, the web search tool is the globe with a magnifying glass icon, and when you hover your mouse over, you can see the words web search appear. To use this tool or any of the tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear and the icon will change colour to show you are currently using that feature. To use the web search feature, you can highlight the word or words you want to look up and click on the web search icon. This will open up a new tab that will show results for the information you have searched. So that is the web search feature in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.